Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and today we are doing my Reese's Cupcakes. These are like the ultimate chocolate peanut butter lover's dream cupcake, I swear. They're like jam-packed with as much Reese's Pieces and mini Reese's Cups and chocolate peanut butter goodness, and the frosting, you guys. Oh my gosh, like it melts on your tongue. It's like peanut butter fluffy heaven. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. These moist chocolate cupcakes are topped with a fluffy peanut butter frosting, rolled in chopped Reese's Pieces, and topped with even more frosting and more Reese's. Okay, so we start with a super easy chocolate cupcake recipe, and as always, I'll leave the full written instructions for you guys down below in the description. Now, I love Reese's Pieces, I love mini Reese's peanut butter cups, but I wanna know, what candy do you guys wanna see in a cupcake? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. So we're just gonna start by combining half a cup of boiling water with a teaspoon of instant coffee, then add 6 tablespoons of unsweetened Dutch processed cocoa powder. And just mix this all together until everything's dissolved and you have that nice chocolatey liquid. All right, we're just gonna set this aside. Into our mixing bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. And we're just gonna beat this with an electric mixer on about medium-high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything's nice and smooth and pale in color. Then we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and my secret ingredient, half a cup of sour cream. And the sour cream is what's gonna give the cupcakes that ultra rich, moist, tender crumb. Okay, now let's get started on the dry ingredients. So we have 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And just whisk this all together so everything's nice and combined. Then we're gradually gonna add the flour mixture in on low speed until it's nice and incorporated. Okay, now comes the good part. We're slowly gonna pour in a steady stream of the cocoa mixture until everything is nice and chocolatey. And just make sure you scrape down the bottom and the sides of the bowl so we make sure we get all that good stuff in there. And we're just gonna beat this together for about 20 to 30 seconds until the batter is nice and smooth and thin. So we're just gonna pour the batter between the 12 baking cups, filling about 3/4 of the way full. And we're gonna pop these in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 16 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, while those are in the oven, we get to get started on the creamy, dreamy peanut butter frosting. This stuff is so good, you guys.
So just add the softened butter and the peanut butter into your mixing bowl and beat that on medium-high speed until it's nice and creamy and pale in color for about 2 to 4 minutes. In goes the vanilla extract, and just beat that right in there, followed by the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, starting on low speed and increasing to medium until it's fully incorporated. Last, we add the cream 1 tablespoon at a time until it's nice and smooth, and just increase to medium-high speed and beat for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy and delicious. This stuff just melts on your tongue. Look at that, you guys. And I just transferred this to a piping bag fitted with a star tip so we can pipe a pretty frilly swirl on top.
All right, I'm gonna get the cupcakes out of the oven, let them start cooling, and then we get to frost and decorate and put it all together. Look at those moist, chocolatey cupcakes. They look so fudgy already.
So while our cupcakes are cooling, I just chopped up some Reese's Pieces for decoration. So go ahead and pipe a swirl of frosting right on top of your cupcake, and then just roll this right in a bowl of the chopped Reese's Pieces to give it a nice crunch and a pretty pop of color. Then pipe another swirl of frosting right on top, and we're gonna finish it off with a half of a little mini Reese's peanut butter cup. And there you have it, your chocolate peanut butter Reese's Cup cupcakes.
You guys, how good did these turn out? I kind of like went nuts with the toppings, but I mean, come on, we're making Reese's cupcakes. I had to go all out and like jam pack as much Reese's candies in these as possible. All right, the best part, let's dig in. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to follow me on social media and tag me in a photo so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations, or share this video with a Reese's lover who you know would totally flip over these cupcakes. Oh my gosh, look how moist and fudgy that cupcake is, and the frosting is so light and so creamy. And if you guys liked this video, make sure to tap the thumbs up button so I know to make more just like it. So there you have my chocolate peanut butter Reese's cupcakes. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye. Hey guys, today on my YouTube channel we are doing chocolate peanut butter cupcakes for all my Reese's lovers out there. I like jam-packed these with Reese's Pieces and mini peanut butter cups, peanut butter frosting that is like amazing, and moist fudgy chocolate cupcakes.